Good morning, children. Global Perspectives, Chapter 1st, Information Skills, Topic Analysis. Analysis. Analysis is a detailed examination of anything complex in order to understand its nature or to determine its essential features, or I can say to study thoroughly. Strong analytical skills. Analytical skills are the ability to collect, gather, visualize and analyze information in details. They include also the ability to see a problem or situation from different points of view. Analytical skills allow you to solve complex problems by making decisions in the most effective way. Here are few examples. First, critical thinking. Critical thinkers are capable of identifying all aspects of a problem and understanding why a problem exists. Second, research and information analysis. Data and information analysis is one of the primary parts of analytical thinking. Third is communication and fourth is problem solving. Identifying sources. Source is getting materials for a project or identify the origin of something. An example of source is an American car manufacturer having parts made in China. An example of source is finding out the origin of the facts for a research paper. Now few examples of primary sources. Archives, manuscript materials, photographs, audio recordings, video recordings, films, journals, letters, diaries, speeches, scrapbooks, published books, newspapers, magazines, clippings, government publications and oral histories. Identifying relevant information. Relevant information is data that can be applied to solve a problem. This is a particular issue when determining the format and content of an entity's financial statements, since the proper layout and level of detail of information can adjust the opinions of users regarding the future direction of a business. Individual report structure. Once you have found sufficient material and made notes for your individual report, you need to think about how you are going to present your ideas to show that you have analyzed relevant information from different perspectives and the causes and consequences of identified issues. One way is represented below. Difference between cause and consequence. Words like because, since, due to and as try to identify causes. These are also words you should be using in your individual report when talking about causes. Now, words like as a result, therefore, that's why, and so. These are to identify consequences. Use them in your individual report when talking about consequences. Importance of analyzing range of sources. Finding resources is only one step in research process. Once you find information resources, it is critical that you evaluate the sources to be sure they are credible and authoritative sources to use to support the arguments or factual claims you make in your report or in your projects. Analyzing source material. Learning how to analyze sources is not only useful for your individual report, it is useful skill for written examination where you are given source material to study and are expected to use it to answer the questions. And remember one thing, the only way to develop your analytical skills is to practice.